Check that out there. That's a big thundercloud. I've never seen a thundercloud flicker as frequently as that one over there. It almost looks like a strobe light in the sky. See, it's lightning's striking in the exact same spot. I guess this defeats the old saying, lightning doesn't strike twice. Maybe it's not striking in the exact same location, but it's pretty damn close. Maybe that adage refers to when it strikes things down on the ground. Who knows? All I know is I've never seen anything before like this in my entire life. So the weather in Thailand is something else. And yet I'm still not hearing any thunderclaps. It almost seems as if the sky has some synchronous flashing with that sign at that restaurant across the highway there. See them flashing simultaneously. Surprisingly, it's not raining at all. I think that's just heat lightning. You see a lot of that in Thailand. Probably has something to do with the humidity. I'm not exactly sure. I'm not a climatologist, but that would be my first guess.